5 Best Cordless Vacuum for Tile Floors Reviews. Number 1. Bissell Power Edge Pet Hardwood Floor Bagless Cleaner. If you're after a simple design, efficiency, and an easy-to-empty dirt cup, then this Bissell model might be just what you've been looking for. Thanks to its clever V-shaped head, you can steer this vacuum cleaner into every itsy-bitsy nook and cranny in your home and clean it up thoroughly. This means both completing a cleaning session faster than usually, and reaching awkward angles and being able to clean them up. When it comes to emptying the dust cap on this model, all you have to do is click a button to remove the tank from the rest of this unit, carry the thing over to your garbage pail, and then flip it upside down. As simple as that. No need to ever touch the dirty stuff that you've managed to pick up moments ago. An interesting addition to the vacuum head of this model would be the squeegee. The idea is that you can pick up hairs and other pieces of debris from off the ground more easily by simply moving the vacuum cleaner as you go along with it. Number 2. Diona D18 Lightweight Cordless Stick Vacuum Cleaner. It looks like a stick with a vacuum cleaner head at the bottom and an electric juicer on the top, but it's a Diona cordless vacuum cleaner. Talk about a curious design choice. Representing the stick vacuum cleaners on this list, the Diona D18 is a slim yet powerful home maintenance appliance that can take care of a wide variety of different messes that lay around on your tile floors. Other than tile, this model can be successfully used on other similar surfaces such as laminate, carpets, and other forms of hard floors. This is mostly thanks to its powerful motor enabling you to choose between 2 different speed settings. The smaller speed is for easy to pick up messes such as a couple of granules of dog food, while the higher speed can be used for tougher hygienic problems, so to speak. Number 3. MUSU Cordless Vacuum. Another stick model on this list comes in the shape of this MUSU Cordless Vacuum Cleaner. In case you want to try out a stick vacuum cleaner but aren't sure if that would be a wise investment, going for this model may be the solution for you. We say this because the folks at MUSU are offering a safe system of money-back guarantees, which states that you can return your MUSU cordless cleaner within 45 days and they'll send you your money back. As far as its functionality is concerned, you can rest assured this thing will give you plenty of suction to work with and also provide you with enough time to do the job in one go. Thanks to its powerful and long-lasting battery, you can use this vacuum cleaner for half an hour to 45 minutes straight, without ever needing to recharge its batteries. Number 4. Roomy Cordless Vacuum Cleaner. A cordless vacuum cleaner can be of massive use to an owner of a large house because it can be used to clean far-off and tough-to-approach areas with ease. Now, imagine what a cordless vacuum cleaner could do if it could also turn into a handheld one. Well, this is exactly the feature that makes this Roomy contraption so special. Namely, with this bad boy in your hands, You can tackle messes both up high on your stairs and at the floor level. If the area you're cleaning becomes too unapproachable, simply take out the handheld model out of its preset cutout area, and use it as you would any other handheld vacuum cleaner. If you want to cover a larger area of the floor, pop it back up and use it as a regular vacuum cleaner. What's not to love? Number 5. Sotek, Rechargeable Cordless Vacuum Cleaner. Another 2-in-1 model on this list comes from a company called Sotek, and it represents one of the most sought-after cordless vacuum cleaners currently on the market. Thanks to its cyclonic vacuuming suction power, this model can easily take care of an array of different messes. For example, pet hair, mites, various forms of paper debris don't stand a chance against this contraption's immaculate cleaning power. One of the areas this model from Sotek excels would be the attachments it comes with. Namely, by purchasing this vacuum cleaner, you'll get 6 different extensions, each designed to play a certain role in your tile-oriented cleaning mission.